Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to use the fishing mode on your CakCity SPV710 altimeter barometer thermometer fishing watch. So what exactly is the fishing mode? Fishing mode is basically where the watch lets you save up to 6 different locations with regards to fishing information. Basically, it's going to store your barometric pressure, your depth, the time for the given location so that you can reference that information later. You can look at history of that location spot, or your watch can alert you when your current barometric pressure and altitude match one of those previously saved days, so it tells you it's a good day to go fishing. I'm going to try and walk you through the feature now. So I'm in my main timekeeping mode. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the mode button. It's the lower left-hand button. That will take us into our fishing mode. Now by default, it's going to put you wherever you were last at. This is my first saved fishing location. You can see the barometric pressure information from that given location, my depth. I can also press the light button to see some other values. For example, here was my target barometric pressure, and then there was the time that the location was saved. If I press the barometer button, it'll take me to my second saved location. Press it again, I can go all the way through to whichever value I want to. So let's say you're out fishing. Let's say we're out fishing, having a good day. I'm catching a lot of fish. I want to save that fishing location. All you're going to do is you're going to go to the value that you want to save it, and you're going to press and hold the barometer button, and that will save your information. Now maybe you're out fishing and you've got a depth finder or something like that, and you want to adjust some of the values that are here. On the save location, you can press and hold the mode button, and you'll have your values start blinking. So if I wanted to adjust the depth, I could do that. If I press the mode button again, my barometric pressure will start blinking. I could adjust my barometric pressure if I wanted to by using the barometer or altimeter button. So if I wanted to move my barometric pressure up or down, I could simply do it here. Now you'll notice that my barometric pressure is in HPA. It's always going to be in HPA whenever you're adjusting barometric pressure on this watch. You don't have to display it in that. So for example, if I press the light button and save my values, you can see that my barometric pressure is in inches of mercury. That's a setting you can control, but if you're adjusting the barometric pressure, it's always going to be shown in HPA. But it's pretty simple. We've saved our third fishing location, so if I ever want to reference that location, I can do so. I can also press the altimeter button, and I can see the history for that given location. So what this is going to do is over time, it'll compare my current barometric pressure and altitude to that saved location, and it'll show me the values for that saved location under the history icon. There's a little triangle here that's lit under history. That's how you know you're in the history for that given saved fishing location 3. If I press the altimeter button, it simply takes me back to the fishing mode. And then once I'm totally done with the fishing mode, I can press the mode button and go to a different mode, like my alarm, stopwatch, timer, and back to timekeeping. The only other thing you can really do here is if you wanted to get fishing alerts. So if I wanted to get an alert to let me know that the current barometric pressure and altitude is similar to a saved fishing location I've been at, I can, in my timekeeping mode, press and hold the barometer button. And I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but there's a little bitty fishing icon down here that's blinking. That's telling me that it's a good time to go fishing. Now the reason it's blinking for me is because my current information matches what we just saved over there in fishing location 3. So normally what you're going to do is you're going to go fishing, you're going to save your locations, and then once you get back, you would turn on this indicator to where your values are different than something that you just previously saved. If I wanted to erase all of my saved fishing locations, I can simply press and hold the altimeter button in my main timekeeping mode, and I've erased all of my saved locations as well as turned off the fishing indicator alarm. So now if I go to my fishing mode, you'll see that I'm still in fishing spot number 3, but there's no values for any of them. It's pretty simple. It's kind of a neat feature. Basically, all you're doing is you're saving your barometer and altimeter information for a saved location and referencing that at a later point. I hope the video helps. At least it gives you an idea of how the fishing mode works on your CakCity SPV710 watch. Thanks for watching.